Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a live photo already taken. Make sure live photos are enabled and the image is in Photos. Tap the live photo, then hit share and choose use as wallpaper so you jump straight into the wallpaper editor. Once done, you'll see lock screen preview options. Make sure live is active by checking the live toggle. You're now positioned to customize motion and framing before assigning. Don't skip framing if the subject is off-center. Now focus on how the live photo behaves. Toggle live so motion is enabled, then press and hold the preview to confirm the animation plays. Once done, pinch to zoom and drag to reframe. You can choose perspective to retain parallax or fix to lock framing. Pick what matches your aesthetic. Make sure to set date/time font and add widgets if desired, because these finish the lock screen look. When satisfied, tap Done to move to the final assignment step. Finish by choosing Set as Lock Screen or set both to apply your live photo wallpaper. You'll see it instantly. Press the side button and long press the lock screen to play the motion. If it doesn't animate, make sure low power mode is off and live photos weren't converted to a still. Sometimes resaving the live photo from Photos restores motion. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, then reapply the wallpaper. This usually clears minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.